In this video, we will check out the Prestashop product size chart module by NoBand, a super handy module for fashion and footwear stores. You can easily create custom size charts, assign them to products or categories, and style them all without coding. Let's see how it works and how it helps reduce returns by giving customers the right fit. Let's get started. Hi guys, this is module understanding video of size chart module. So here to proceed with the same. First, we have to install the module of Prestashop store. To install the module on a Prestashop, first you have to click on Upload a Module button. When you will click on it, you will be redirected to a pop-up like this, where you have to click on Select File. Upon clicking which, you will be redirected to your local, where you have to select the file, and here the installation will be completed. Now you have to click on Configure button. When you will click on Configure, it will redirect you to the module general setting page, and here you have to enable the module. The module will be in the disabled state by default. So first, you have to enable the same and click on Save. Now the module is enabled. So next option is Disable the size chart on a pop-up. This functionality will help you to display the size chart in a pop-up, in case you do not want display on a pop-up format, so you can keep it disabled. Next, we are having the Enter Size Chart Row, Column Text Color, Size Chart Row Column Background Color, Size Chart Row Column Data Text Color, Data Background Color, Size Chart Data Background Color for the odd and even row, Size Chart Pop-up Background Color. So here you can choose the colors of the size chart according to the theme of your store. After making the changes in the color, you have to click on Save button. Once you click on Save, it will give you a success message like this. This shows that the configuration that you have made is being saved now. Next is you are having the custom CSS and custom JSS. So the custom CSS and custom JSS will help you to write the custom CSS, which will work on your store on every page where the product size chart module will be active. So there, your custom CSS and JSS will be working. So after click on Save, the modifications will be saved. Now the next step we are having is attribute set. Here you can create your attribute. So first, you have to enable this. You have to enter the identifier. You have to map the units. Here the units will be by default selected. So this is an attribute set where first you have to create the map units, which will be created from the size chart unit tab. You have to click on plus icon to add a new unit, enter the name of the unit, and click on save. So like this, your table will be created of the units that you keep on creating from the add new button. Also, you can search it by their name. You just have to enter the name over the box and click on search button. It will show you the search result. Next, you can also reset your search. Further, you can edit your size chart units. You can make the changes and you can click on Save. Once you will save, the changes should be saved. Now click on the attribute set. Click on Add New Attribute. Then you will see in the map unit, you will find those changes and the units created there. Now you have to create attribute set. First, enter unique identifier so that it can be identified. Select the map unit which suits that. Here now, keep entering for the column 1. Enter the key and enter the label. Here, you have to enter the value label. Next, you have to enter the row label. Once you have filled all the details, you can click on Preview, and you will find your size chart will be looking like this on your product page. So this is a preview button, which will show the result that you have been saved. Now click on Save button so that you can find the attribute for first attribute set on your screen like this. There is also a preview button where you can click and you can find that size chart that is going to be displayed on your product page. So it will be visible like this. On this button, you will find the Edit and Delete button. In case you want to make any changes, you can click on Edit. In case you do not require this attribute set, you just need to click on Edit but Delete button. Next is your chart. You have to click on Add New. You can create your first chart. You have to select the attribute. Now here you can enter the value. It is applicable to features or it is applicable to the group. You can select as per your preference. Click on Save. Now it will show that you have created your first size chart. Now you can map the manufacturer to your chart. Just enable and select the category. Select the manufacturer of that category and the chart that you want to be mapped with this manufacturer. Click on Preview. It will display the chart. The chart will be displayed like this on this category page or the manufacturer. Click on Save. The manufacturer has been mapped. Now click on Category Chart. Here you have to select the category and the chart on which category you want to display with size chart. So just click on Save. Your category has been mapped to your chart. Next, you have to select a particular product. Click on Enable. Choose the product you wanted to be mapped with your size chart and click on Save. As we have mapped with this, you can go on the front end, search with this product name, and you will find that your created size chart will be displayed on here, but you will find it not to be enabled in your pop-up since you have disabled that pop-up. If the display on pop-up is disabled, it will be displayed like the product details. In case you will enable it, it will show you a button where you have to click, and the size chart will be displayed in a pop-up format like this. This is how the size chart, Nubank product size chart, works on the Prestashop store. Thank you.